Hi guys, today we will do an experiment. The experiment name is water fireworks. We need beaker, water, any two food color, oil, measuring cup and mixing straw. Now see the experiment. Add 2 drops of each color into the oil. No minute, 2 minutes. And mix with the mixing stick. Like this. Now we will pour the oil and color into the water. Slowly. Oh, wow! See, what a nice experiment! What a fireworks! Wow! See the colors. Somewhere it is black, somewhere it is red, somewhere it is blue, somewhere it is orange, somewhere it is purple, somewhere it is black, somewhere it is green. Did you like the experiment? Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Now we will repeat the experiment in a big tumbler. We will put the oil slowly. And now, sorry. Wow. See this. Somewhere is red, somewhere is blue, somewhere is green, somewhere is yellow. Wow! 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 What a nice experiment! Wow! You can do this experiment at your home. Wow! So here is green, purple, red, blue. Wow. See this green color. Wow. Wow. And red also. Wow. Now the purple. See the purple. Wow. Wow.